Bonjour, comment ça va? Aujourd'hui, on va expliquer les aliments. Les aliments. Today, we'll explain les aliments. Did you see les aliments? En France, il y a 4 repas. Il y a 4 repas. In France, there are four meals. The first meal, le petit déjeuner. Le petit déjeuner. It's like the breakfast. Le pain, la confiture, le miel, le croissant, les œufs, le fromage et les céréales. Le matin, je prends le petit déjeuner. Le matin, in the morning, I take le petit déjeuner, the breakfast. Le déjeuner, it's like the lunch. Le déjeuner, it's like the lunch. Les pâtes, le riz, le poisson, la viande, la saucisse, les frites, le ketchup, la mayonnaise. Le midi, in the noon, I take le déjeuner, the lunch. Le midi, je prends le déjeuner. In the noon, I take the lunch. Le goûter, it's like the snack. In France, they are taking le goûter at 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. Okay, approximately 5 and half past 5 and so. Okay. Le biscuit, les chips, le chocolat, la glace. L'après-midi, je prends le goûter. L'après-midi, afternoon, I take le goûter, the snack. Okay. The fourth, it's le dîner. It's like in English, the dinner. Okay. La pizza, le yaourt, and le pain, le fromage, le miel, les œufs, la confiture, le croissant, les céréales. All of them, we are taking them in breakfast and in dinner. Okay. My mother can bring us pain, fromage, miel, and so. Okay. Le soir, je prends le dîner. Le soir, in the evening, I take le dîner, the dinner. Okay. Can you complete? Au petit déjeuner, je prends. I take what? Au petit déjeuner. In the breakfast. Au déjeuner, I take what? Okay. I will answer one only, and you will answer the rest of them. Au petit déjeuner, je prends le miel. Okay. Le fromage, la confiture, and I can say le pain and so, okay? Can you answer the rest of them? Le matin, je prends le petit déjeuner. Le midi, je prends quoi? What? Le midi, je prends? I don't know. Can you answer them? Choisis. Choose. Le matin, je prends 4 or le petit déjeuner or le goûter or le dîner. I will take le matin in the morning. Je prends le petit déjeuner and so. Okay. Il y a combien de repas? I told you there are 4 meals dans la journée in the day in France. Okay, then 4 it's equal 4. Okay. Match or relier la glace. Where is the glace? Le yaourt. And so, okay. You will match. You will write. What's this? Le poisson, la confiture, and so on. Okay. See you soon. My lesson has finished. You must study it hard because it's important lesson. Okay, it's an important lesson. Au revoir.